There's a lot going on here. I'm not inclined to give you 2 years because 2 years for the court in your case is somebody who has successfully completed everything and hasn't been back to the court. 1, 2, I think this is your third motion to revoke. Is this a motion to revoke?
Yes, ma'am.
Are both parties ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 8728B State versus Britney Marie Brewbaker. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, John.
Lindsay Shaw for Miss Brewbaker.
And are you Ms. Brewbaker? Did you review the documents entitled motion to revoke community supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Britney Marie Brewbaker who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8728B for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on February 23rd, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Britney Marie Brewbaker. The defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months in May and June 2024, violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 6 years in the prison? You need to speak up. I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor.
Yes.
It is to revoke the individual's probation and sentence her to 2 years in the TDC. Yeah, sorry, that's it.
All right. So what has she done on probation?
Judge, she successfully completed both ISF and SATF. And so she has done that while on probation. And as to her not reporting, I can tell the court she's a single mother. Her child just turned 13. The child's father is also in prison. And so during this time, she's been working full time, and she understands she made the wrong decision to not report to probation, but it was because she was working, trying to have, be able to take care of her child.
All right, so let me just explain to you what my problem is. What my problem is all you had to do was pick up the phone and call probation. And this is not the first time you've been before the court for not reporting. So you have a 13-year-old and you're a single parent and you work. There are so many people who have children and they work, but they still handle their business, right? So I'm not going on any of the other allegations in the motion, but there's allegation of marijuana use. There's allegations of amphetamine use. So there's a lot going on here. I'm not inclined to give you 2 years because 2 years for the court in your case is somebody who has successfully completed everything and hasn't been back to the court. 1, 2, I think this is your third motion to revoke. And the first time you had a motion to revoke, it was with a different judge, and they altered and amended your condition for SATF. Then the next time you had a revocation to revoke, that was with me, and it was a violation of condition number 4. And all of these classes that were given when you were not reporting had to do with your drug use. So who is taking care of the 13-year-old now?
My sister has him right now.
All right. Has them.
Has him.
Has him?
Yes.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to, the court is finding violation condition number 4 true. The court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Was the restitution paid probation?
Noted.
All right. There's to be restitution of $60 to the Bear County Criminal Laboratory. Oh, and state, you may be excused. For drug testing, there's to be no contact with Joshua Lee Zimmerle, Zimmerle. I request a therapeutic community. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
All right. You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? And if she successfully completed SATIF, I'll give her credit for that and ISF.
Yes, ma'am. I have the dates. I can just, do you need them, Judge? Or I can
No,
give
if you give it to
Yes,
the clerk. All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You have a child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Either you're going to get your life together and be in their life and be a good parent or not. But you can't keep putting yourself first. And I always tell people, if you want to be clean and sober, be clean and sober for yourself. But sometimes people don't want to do it for themselves because they like where they are or they can't get out where they are. So if you're not going to do it for yourself, then do it for your child. But don't keep coming in and out of the child's life making promises that you know you're not going to keep. If you're going to be the fly-by-night parent, be that fly-by-night parent. I'm the happy-go parent. I'm just coming in to give you gifts, say I love you, and then I leave. But don't come in there trying to make rules because you haven't been there. You haven't been a mom, all right? When you're released from prison, if you can't find a place that can help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you can come back here. I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes.